Attention, attention, are we seeing a slight recovery? There's some really good technical indications happening right now. Stay tuned. Hey guys, it's Jay here from StakeMentor, bringing you today's Bitcoin technical analysis. So first of all, before I start, I want to do a quick shout out to a number of people who commented on my last video: Tim Portner, FM, Trey G, Shen, Senflesh, T-Tran. Thank you all for contributing, asking questions. My aim is to build a community around Bitcoin and technical analysis and cryptocurrency as a whole. So please feel free to engage, comment. As you know, I will reply to every single comment, and hopefully we can start the conversation going. So on my last video, I posted about this wedge, and I posted about how price was respecting this wedge, and we were potentially looking for a breakout. And once price, so if I just throw this here, so once price sort of drops drops below this point, we will see a breakout to the downside, and that's exactly what happened. I was initially looking for a breakout to the 7,000 level, but price actually went even further and hit the 6,000 mark, and now you can see it sort of bounced back and respected the 7,000 level here, which I think is a very good indication. You can see there's strong resistance over there. So what are we seeing right now in the market? So what do you have here is what do you see here forming yesterday? Let me just get rid of that. What you've seen forming yesterday is a so-called pin bar. You know, you can see this here. It has a form of a pin, and the pin bar, what it can show, not always, but what it can show is a trend reversal, because you've seen price moving all the way down and closing much higher. So you've got this beautiful pin here, and a lot of people tend to think pin is normally a sign of a reversal. So if you look, for instance, here, you can see when it hit the 20,000, it formed a pin and then dropped all the way down. You know, and likewise we've got a pin here. So, and the other interesting aspect around this pin is it respected the 7,000 level. It closed literally on that wedge, slightly above the wedge, above the 7,500 level. And then yesterday we had pretty much a neutral bar. Essentially, the price is not showing any indication where it's going. Again, what you can see here is respecting the wedge. So what can happen now? So what can happen now is price, the moment it breaks back into the wedge, I can see a price movement going back up sort of to the, you know, 8,000. I mean, I'll put my hands down. If things go into the wedge, I will probably see a price moving up to the 8,500 level very quickly, and that could be a nice trade to put on, in the sense that, you know, you put your stop loss below here, and then you enter the trade here, so on the break, you know, put like a buy stop around the 7,800 level, and then ride the trade all the way up to the 8,500 level. And that's only if I can see a break into the wedge. Right now we see resistance around the, you know, the red line. The moment it breaks through the red line, I can see it going back to the 8,500 level, and then it will be interesting to assess what we can further see. You know, we can potentially look at even hitting the 9,000 level very soon, but it all depends on what price is going to do today and whether we can see that small break happening very soon. So yeah, that's it from me today. Slightly more positive than I was the days before, especially when the price was riding down to 6 grand level. You know, I was very worried. But as always, this is my own opinion. I'm a technical trader, but obviously, you know, I'm not a financial advisor, and you have to make your own decisions before you enter any sort of trades. In that sense, I will leave you to it. If you enjoy these videos, please comment. I reply to every single message. Please subscribe. You know, I will post these videos regularly about what's going on, and I hope to see you guys soon.